A warm welcome to the course on Functional Foundation of Enterprise Resource Planning. So if one wants to learn about any of the ERP product, be it SAP, Oracle or MS Microsoft product or any other ERP product, one needs to have business functional knowledge. So generally it is considered that after a couple of years in the business domain, one will acquire this functional knowledge. And then once they have this knowledge, learning about any of the ERP product, be it Oracle, SAP or any of them, is much more easy, so that they can understand what needs to be done, what are the setup needs to be done, configuration needs to be done, and the various business flows the product offer, and thereby they acquire the knowledge on the ERP product. So the prerequisite being the business functional knowledge. What if a person is does not have this? If he's from college or he's just wanted to understand an ERP product, then how does he go about? So that is where there is a gap. So this course will offer you, this course covers topics on the business functional flows, so thereby it makes learning of any of the ERP product much more easier once you gain knowledge on the basic business functional flows. So having said that, a word about me. I'm Guharajan. I'll be the course instructor for this course. Have over 25 years of experience in IT, that's in product development consulting and training. Have worked in GE, Capgemini, Oracle Consulting and education line of business. Regarding my education background, Bachelor Engineering with an MBA and a certified PMP as well since year 2007. I'm also certified in Oracle Cloud Infrastructure. Apart from this course, have designed developed courses in managing ERP implementation, various project management topics like MS Projects, Primavera, Oracle Cloud Essentials, Internet of Things, Linux, Unix Essential and many more. Please refer to the course coverage preview to know about the various topics covered in this course. So once you are registered in the course, see you inside the course. Thanks and cheers.